Hello everyone. This is my electric chainsaw. As you can see, it looks a little tired. The chain's a bit stretched on the bottom. It's still cutting, and I think it works pretty well. Normally we're talking about racing pigeons, and I do post a lot of videos. But today I want to talk about this chainsaw and why I haven't recently posted a racing pigeon video. Okay, let me show you what it cut. This was a 60-foot maple tree, but the carpenter ants got into it. And as you could see, some of the spots where they were damaging it, and every time the wind blew, a limb would come down, and there were some large limbs. I'll show you some of them. This here's the stump. It was just a little too wide for the chainsaw. I had to cut it from both sides to get it down. That's a 16-inch bar on that. That's one tired chainsaw. You can see I got a lot of splitting to do. I've done some. You could see it here. There are some more branches over there. Fortunately, the trash people pick up the limbs. I'll be putting them out probably for 2 or 3 weeks. Here are some more limbs, branches that I sized up and cut. As you can see, that chainsaw should be tired. We'll show you a couple of pigeons for a minute. These are most of the branches that were on the tree. They've got to still be cut up. I'll have to take that chain off, clean up the chainsaw itself. I might sharpen the chain. Pretty sharp, it's still good, but I might hit it a couple strokes. Now you can see why it's one tired electric chainsaw. I had gas-driven chainsaws. I was tired of pulling them, wouldn't start. This thing here, I plug it in and it goes right to work. I love it. Does the job real well. And again, that's a pretty big tree. There's some more branches over there. Oh, I guess that's it. That's why I haven't posted some videos. I'm going to do a video on that white-eyed cock. I sent that pigeon to Stephen Mitchell. Raised a club winner. The hen it's mated on was on another cock, and that was mated on, I'm sorry, that was, that hen produced a club winner too. But we'll get back to the racing pigeons. I just really had to show you how good this saw works. If any of you's got some woodwork to do, that saw done a very good job. Okay, thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs down. I'll probably get a few of them because it's not really about racing pigeons. And thank you for watching.